Yo guys, what's up? Micro Garage Customs here again with another video. This is of a little truck I bought. And don't get me wrong, I really liked it the way it was to start off, but we had to modify it. That's what we do here. And another thing, thank you guys for the subscribers. We're up to 31 and all the comments. It's really grateful. Thank you. So stay tuned to the end. Let me know what you guys think and comment below which one you'd rather have, the way it ended up or the way it started. And on this one, as I was breaking it down, I accidentally broke the windshield, but it's all good. It was salvageable. We're also going to do our own custom wheels on this one. I told you I was slacking on the wheel section before, making axles out of a paper clip here. I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I did it. It came out okay. It wasn't the greatest, but it worked. And now that we got the bottom all cut off, I was test fitting it again, and I didn't like the fenders, so I was going to take them off. But I was going to get the drill and start cutting them off, but I didn't know these little fenders were held in with little pins, plastic pins, so it worked out great. You're going to see here, they're going to be reusable, so if I ever want to add fenders to another body, I have the little pins there. And now, as you can see, it rolls pretty good. It's not as good as the stock wheels, but they roll good. And look at that fitment, man. It's slammed down. I think it came out really good. I was testing the fit, see how it worked. Now, I was going to go into the interior mods. I was going to paint it up and do some... I wanted to try a two-tone interior on this truck, but you're going to see here, we ended up going with black and light brown, or tan, if you will. No, these were just acrylic water-based paints, and they were really flat, so I didn't like them. I ended up going over it with enamel, but it works. It's just a super flat look. I'd imagine if you're going to use these, you're probably going to have to use a clear coat of some sort to make it glossy. I was getting a lot of questions with the Citrus strip. This is the stripper I use to get the paint off. Usually I let them soak for, I spray it at night and I let it sit overnight, and in the morning it's bubbled up like that. As you can see in this one, I can literally peel the paint off of the truck. That's how good it strips. And then I was mixing up some putty to fill the holes that the light bar left on the roof of it. There's no way I was going to put a light bar on a slam truck. That would look weird. And I also was doing some modifying to the bumper. I didn't like the bumper. And after it dries and sets, I knock it down with the little drill master, sanding it down, and then I sand it down with sandpaper and prep for paint. And you're gonna see here, I do about 3 or 4 light coats of paint, waiting about 5 minutes in between coats. And then disaster struck with my dog. He ate the dash. After I had already painted it and got it all set up, I couldn't find the steering wheel, and he destroyed the rear window, so I had to get a donor truck. Luckily, I found one here locally and used that one to paint the dash again and redo everything. And then I start doing the little detail work on the exterior body, painting in the headlight housing, the fog lamps, the intake on the hood, and putting some little color on the mirrors and stuff. And here's the dash, the two-tone dash I did. And the interior, you're gonna see, I also paint the mirrors black and do the door panels on this truck. I wanted to do some interior work done, so I did the doors. I think they came out pretty nice. I mean, it's really hard. There's not much detail there, but I think they came out nice. Nice little touch. And here I am putting it back together for the final assembly. I like this truck a lot better than the original, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Appreciate it.